we have given fractional equation. Let me copy our example first. We have 4 plus m over 3 is equal 5 plus m over 2. Because we have on the left side and on the right side fraction, so we have proportion here. To get rid of this proportion, we will multiply denominator times numerator and numerator times denominator. So we have to multiply this whole expression. 4 plus m times 2, this is equal 3 times 5 plus m. Now we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8 and will be plus m times 2 is 2m. This is equal, and the same we have to do on the right side. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times m is 3m. Next, I will move 2m to the right side because 3 is greater than 2 and 15 to the left side. So we will have 8 minus 15. When we move to the other side, we have to change the sign. So it will be negative 15 is equal 3m we have, and now it will be negative 2m. 8 minus 15 is negative 7. This is equal 3m minus 2m is 1m. So this is m. Now we will change the sides. So it will be m is equal negative 7. Next, we have to check if m equals negative 7 is solution for our fractional equation. How we do this? We have to copy the original form of our equation. So we have 4 plus m over 3 is equal 5 plus m over 2. And now we have to substitute m's by negative 7. So we have 4 plus negative 7 over 3. We have to check if this is equal m plus negative 7 over 2. 4 plus negative 7 is negative 3 over 3. We have to check if this is equal 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2 over 2. So we have negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. This is equal negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Left side is equal to the right side. It means that m equals negative 7 is solution for our equation.